Happy Father's Day, my love.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you very much. Is it Father's Day today?
There.
Okay.
Thank you, my love.
Fine.
Today is Father's Day. And we buy a gift for Daddy, okay? Make noise. We surprise Daddy, okay? Today, now, we go in store to buy a gift. Okay? Hindi alam ni Daddy na Father's Day today. Kasi wala man yan dito, guys. Hindi uso yan dito. So, pupunta kami ngayon ni Katyusha sa store para bumili ng regalo para kay Daddy kasi he deserve. Ang pagkakaroon ng mabait na asawa is blessings yan, guys. So, andun siya sa loob. Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Nagpadidi ako ni Edie tapos sabi niya siya daw maghugas ng pinggan. Yung pagkakaalam niya, guys, is pupunta kami sa store kasi bibili kami ng lemon. Pero ang totoo is pupunta kami sa store kasi nga bibili kami ng regalo para kay Daddy. Don't say to Daddy, okay? We surprise, okay? Dito sa Romania, guys, hindi man yan uso dito, guys. Hindi sila sa atin ba na nag-celebrate ng Mother's Day, Father's Day. Mas uso sa kanila dito yung mga saint name. Yan yung importante nila dito. Alas 2 na dito, guys. What?
I'm excited.
Excited ikaw? Nakabili na kami, guys. Maya na lang namin ipakita, guys, pagdating natin ng bahay, bigay natin to kay Daddy. And Katyusha, you need to say to Daddy, Happy Father's Day, okay?
Yeah. Oh.
Don't say, ha? It's so hot. It's very hot. Hello, my love.
Hello.
How is your day?
Very fine. Beautiful day until now.
Excuse me, my love.
Very hot.
Ito yung gagamitin natin, guys. Hi, let's end this vlog. Hi, Edie. Hi, la, mommy. Hi, let's end the vlog. Hi, my love. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy Father's Day, my love.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you very much. Is it Father's Day today?
Yes.
Really?
We have a gift to you.
Really?
Happy Father's Day.
Wow, very excited.
Yeah.
It's a prank, my love. What if it's a snake here?
Check. Check.
What is this? Working for it? I'm working for it. Oh, nice.
Yay!
Nice.
Happy Father's Day, my
Thank
love. Say
you.
to Daddy.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank you.
And Daddy.
Thank you, my love.
No, it's still not
Nice
out, my
surprise.
love. It is this one here.
Another? I really need this. Thank you very much. Yay, thank you. I start to smell like a boy. Thank you very much. Thank you. I really
We
need-
love you so much, my love.
I love you too.
Hindi
I
na
love you too.
alam.
I love you
So
too.
that's all video
Thank
for
you.
today,
Maybe you want to
guys.
kiss me, my love.
Hi, kiss Daddy.
Really happy Father's
Happy
Day.
Father's Day to Daddy. Hi.
Zin.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's all video for today.
I bring you out tomorrow. Look. My love.
You like?
Yes, I like. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Every day with you is like a surprise.
Happy Father's Day to all
I did not know who told you.
fathers.
Then in Philippines it is.
Yes, all my love.
In Romania is not.
No? I know. Bye!
Bye.